Welcome everyone to the video series, Birth in the Time of COVID-19. My name is Rebecca Decker and I'm a nurse with my PhD and the founder of Evidence-Based Birth. This is a free crash course for people who are pregnant or birthing during the time of the COVID-19 pandemic. Many hospitals around the world have canceled their childbirth classes and we wanted to do something to help, and so that's why we're bringing this free crash birthing course to you. In this course, I'm going to cover some of the basics of what you need to know about labor, and we're also going to cover some of the specifics about the COVID-19 pandemic and how that might affect your labor. I'd encourage you to treat this like a real class and get your partner, if you have one, and sit down together and watch these videos together. If you would like worksheets to go along with this course, just go to evidencebasedbirth.com/crash course. And you can download the worksheets you can use to take notes, as well as some of the other resources we have for you. So in this series of videos, we're going to start by covering the stages of labor so that you can understand what's going on in your body during the labor process and you're better prepared to meet that process. And that's also going to be important because many of you may want to stay home as long as possible during your labor during this pandemic. So that will allow you to understand where your body is in the labor process. We're also going to talk about the hormones of labor, which parents usually really appreciate learning about. And then we're going to talk about a simple comfort measure using a birth ball. And then we will go into specifics about the COVID-19 pandemic and how that might affect your birth plan. So I hope you find this info helpful. And to get started, just click on the next video in this series called The Stages of Labor Part 1.